An attitude of positive expectation is the mark of superior personality. If you do right, no one remembers. If you do wrong, no one forgets. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. If everyone is happy with you, then surely you have made many compromises in your life. If you are happy with everyone, surely you have ignored many faults of others. Choice, chance, change. You must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change. Two things help you to be successful in life: the way you manage when you have nothing, the way you behave when you have everything. Things turn out for people who make the best out of the way it turn out. If you want to shine like sun, first you have to burn like sun. Some people come in your life as blessings. Others come in your life as lessons. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Just because a person smiles all the time doesn't mean their life is perfect. That smile is a symbol of hope and strength. You never fail until you stop trying. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers, because when you find answers, life changes the questions. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an aeroplane takes off against the wind and not with it. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Be not afraid of life. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. When I hear somebody sigh, life is hard, I'm always tempted to ask, compared to what?